pa dito. Si Angelico, Sanjaline, wow, si Miss Sandra, I think nasa trabaho pa to pero nakikinig talaga right now. Grabe yung commitment. I love that kind of character and attitude no, na kahit sobrang busy, very willing and eager pa din matuto. Ayan, maraming nag-on cam bigla. Yan, si Sir Don, may ano pa, parang kumakain pa ata. Sir, yung unang subo, sana ibigay mo sa akin. Si Miss Ellen, Sir Reed, si Miss Anna, si Sir Marvin, si also for those na hindi nakapag-on cam, don't worry, i-remove ko na po kayo. Baka biglang nawala lahat, no? Kasi, ano ni-remove agad. Choppy ba ako? Choppy ba? Or klaro naman? Medyo na-notice ko din, guys, na medyo we have um, a problem with our connection right now. Hold on, guys, ha? Oh, choppy yung sa lag or yung sa audio ko lang? Hold on, hold on. Audio lang. Okay, sige. I'll get my mic. Try this out. Yan, mas okay na ba? Mas okay na? How about that? How about this one, guys? Are we good? Are we good para makapagsimula na tayo? Ayan, parang kailangan na atang bumili ako ng bagong mic, ah. Para mapapa-order ako dito mamaya sa Red Up. Ayan. Salamat po again sa mga naka-on cam, Sir Bernard, Sir Roy, Miss Corazon, sino pa dito? Miss Rosemary, yung mga hindi ko pa na-mention. But anyways, let me proceed to our topic for tonight. Kasi alam ko lahat ng andito gusto nang matuto. Excited na kayo, tama? And I don't want to waste that excitement, no? Kaya ang goal natin tonight is end of the day, no? Pagkatapos ng webinar na to, you will understand how forex trading works, and ang pinakamaganda dito is you will have the confidence and tell yourself, ay, kaya ko pala. Yun yung pinaka-goal natin sa webinar natin tonight. Kasi guys, for the longest time, alam ko, probably meron dito mga bago, may mga iba din na struggling traders pa, may iba na probably successful na. But this event tonight is perfect for those zero knowledge. Kahit zero knowledge ka, actually kayo yung magandang mag-attend sa webinar na to. However, if you're also struggling or maybe you've been looking for breakthrough pero hindi mo pa talaga nakuha-kuha, don't worry kasi may separate part din to sa sa discussion natin. Okay? So I'd like to at least ask from everyone to please be respectful sa comment section. Okay? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Kasi iba-iba po yung pacing ng learnings ng iba't ibang students na andito. May iba madaling makagets, may iba na medyo okay lang, may iba na paulit-ulit. But don't worry, no? I totally understand kung hindi mo magets agad yung pinag-uusapan natin, no? Give yourself a chance to be a beginner. So that's okay. Kung meron kang hindi magets, huwag kang mag-alala. Okay? Kasi galing din ako dyan. However, I discourage, no, I'd like to discourage those impolite na mga words na gusto mo nang magmadali, no? Kasi again, I tell you, hindi pwede natin overnight matutunan itong skill na to. It will take you at least, no, pinakamababa, pinakamadali para matutunan mo ang forex trading. Did you know how many years? At least 3 years. 3 years for you to learn this skill. And imagine, you're just giving me 1 hour and 5 hours. So all in all, 6 hours tayong mag-uusap tonight. Okay lang ba sa inyo? Parang si Ma'am Rowena. Guys, 6 hours of pure value yung pag-uusapan natin tonight. Okay lang ba? Tingnan natin dito kung sino yung mga makakatulog mamaya. Bitaw. Joke lang, guys. Sa Bisaya pa. Joke lang. Good. 1 hour lang. 1 hour lang tayong mag-uusap dito. And I'd like to really give my best tonight na maintindihan nyo lahat. Okay? So, bear with me, ha? Iwas tayo sa kaguluhan sa comment section. Kasi pag may nakita akong nagkakagulo sa comment section, automatic babalik ako sa pinakaunang part. Okay? So matatagalan pa tayo lalo. So mamaya, don't worry kasi I will give a time apart na I will answer question, I will give a time for Q&A. Okay? Q&A tayo by the end of the session. So yung mga tanong nyo, i-hold nyo muna. Kung pwede, i-reserve nyo muna para mamaya, no? Para hindi tayo paulit-ulit. Kasi kung sasagutin ko yan pa isa-isa, mas matatagalan tayo. And at the same time, wag po tayong, sorry ha, kasi may na-notice kaming pumapasok dito na mga reklamador, mga complainer. Guys, ngayon pa lang, I want you to embrace an attitude or skill of most traders have. Ano yun? Patience. Hindi pwede na wala kang pasensya sa journey mo na to. Okay? So, I hope lahat is ready. May nagtanong dito, sagutin ko lang to ha. Ilang age mo ang pwede dito? The youngest that we have in our community is 14 years old and the oldest is 60 plus years old. I think meron din 70 plus. So this is for all ages. Okay? So wag kang mag-alala. Meron si Sir Jaime 68. Perfect. All right. Now, guys, parang hinangak ako ng gusto ah. Guys, eto. Okay? Most of us as we are starting our journey. And most of us, just una, parang macro, mag-research ka lang sa YouTube, okay? Okay. Mag-research ka lang sa YouTube. I hope okay ako guys ha, okay yung signal ko. Please bear with me. Kung mawala ako guys, pagbigyan nyo na, wag lang kayong mag-leave. Wag lang kayong mag-leave ha. Baka medyo challenging lang yung internet connection namin despite na nakabagbayad na naman kami. Okay? Now, moving forward, going back sa sinabi ko kanina, marami sa atin gusto pero hindi natin alam kung saan magsisimula. Nung sinumulan naman natin, kaka-YouTube mo, kaka-research mo, kakabasa mo ng libro, ang ending, mas nalito ka lalo. Sino dito yung nakaka-relate dyan? Yung nag-nosebleed ka lalo. Yung feeling mo, ay, wala na akong pag-asa para dito kasi it seems like ang hirap intindihin. Sino dito yung nakaramdam niyan? Or kung hindi man mahirap, ang napunta ka naman sa hindi magandang experience, which is nawala naman yung pera mo, na-scam ka. Okay? And yung mga sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, that is not coming from anyone's experience. That is coming from my experience. Kaya naiintindihan ko right now kung ano yung sitwasyon natin. Okay? Kaya ang goal ng webinar na to is mag-guide ka step by step from basic kasi you will never find this online. You will never find this sa libro. Kasi automatically agad ang nilalatag is strategy. Paano mo ma-apply yung strategy kung hindi mo naiintindihan ang basic? Okay? So kaya ito yung pag-uusapan natin. All right? So let's go, let's proceed. Let me pull out my slide. All right. So yeah, there we go. Okay. Again, I welcome you all to our intro and cheat code sa forex trading. So guys, who are we? No, sino ba tong nagkakandak ng webinar tonight? Actually, we are from Pinoy Traders Community and I'd like to honor our founder, Coach Lars Paraguya. Siya po yung reason kung bakit nabuo itong community na to and I am one of his fellow leader, no? So I actually I am the founder of Traders Nation PH. So this is what we do, no? Etong training na to, this is conducted in Cagayan de Oro. We do conduct mga offline trainings when it comes to forex trading. But listen to this. 90 to 95% of our trainings is conducted online. So, ibig sabihin, if you're an OFW, nasa Canada ka, nasa Middle East ka, nasa New Zealand ka, nasa Europe ka, walang problema kasi ibig sabihin, pwede ka pala dito. You don't need to visit us sa Cagayan. You don't need to go to Iligan, no? Sa mga Bisaya, dira. No, di mo kailangan mo anhi dire, no? Let's maximize the power of online, no? Let's maximize the power of the social media right now na ma-interconnect tayo at mas mabilis nating matutunan itong skill na to. Okay? But we do conduct mga offline, we just announce it. But very rare lang po, right? So just like this one, we have our gathering sa UAE, no? So sa UAE, kami nagpunta last October, so we visited our team there as well. Kami ni Coach Nars, kaming dalawa, nagpunta kami doon, and we're really glad, no, that we are already growing. That means that, ano bang ibig sabihin nito, guys? Ang daming Pilipino na gustong matuto kung paano gagawin si forex trading. Okay? And we're just really glad kasi nabuo tayo, nabuo yung community natin na nagkatipon-tipon yung mga excited na matuto, very willing and very open to earn dollars kahit nasan man sa mundo. And you heard me right, guys. Kahit nasan ka man sa mundo, kahit nasa Pilipinas ka man ngayon, it's already 8:14 p.m. here. I want you to understand ano yung pag-uusapan natin. Tuturuan namin kayo right now kung paano kumita ng US dollars habang nasa Pinas ka right now or habang nasa Middle East ka right now. And ano yung kagandahan doon? Guys, ang sarap na habang nasa Pilipinas ka, nasa around 61 pesos 61 to 62 pesos per US dollars ang conversion ng peso, 'di ba? Yung $1 is equivalent to 61 to 62. Ang sarap kumita ng dollars habang nasa Pinas ka kasama ang pamilya mo. While everyone is leaving the country right now, while you are aiming to go to the US right now, hindi mo na kailangan magpunta ng US para kumita ng malaki. Kahit nasan ka paano. And isn't it exciting? Can you comment number 1 if it's exciting? Kasi guys, honestly, ako personally, habang tumataas yung dollars straight now, point number here pala ako. Alright. Parang walang gustong kumita sa niyang kitain. Gusto ko MJ, Euro. Wow, pwede. 'Di ba? Why not? Mas mataas si Euro. Alright, sige. So, yan. Okay. Now, moving forward, pakilala ko lang din yung sarili ko, guys, no? I'm actually MJ Canoy, and this is my wife together with me, si Marge, no? And this picture was taken last April when we were in the Asia Pacific gathering sa Thailand, no, ng mga traders doon. And I actually finished a bachelor's degree in information technology. So, medyo malayo talaga to sa linya ko, guys. Okay? Pero right after graduation, I became an entrepreneur. Hindi na, I have a friend, sabi niya sa akin, MJ, meron akong kakilala na ginagawa niya ito. Only to find out, sadly, I'm not proud of this, but dahil doon, mas natuto ako. So guys, sa mga na-scam dito, kaway-kaway, it's okay, no? Kung galing ka ngayon sa major heartbreak, lalo na financial heartbreak ng buhay mo, I've been there. Ang dami kong dinaanan bago ko in-embrace na aralin talaga si forex trading. And it's because of those lapses, failures, na natuto ako. Nasabi ko sa sarili ko, ayaw ko na sa mga get rich quick scheme na yan. Ayaw ko na sa mga shortcut na yan. This time, gusto ko nang aralin na ako talaga mismo. Okay? So, alright, moving forward. So guys, the reason why I wanted to learn forex trading, almost the same ba tayo lahat, guys? We wanted to give a good life sa family natin. Nakaka-relate ba? Sino dito gusto nang mag-for good? Comment number 2. Sino dito gusto nang mag-for good? Umuwi kasama mag-New Year, mag-Christmas, mag-birthday, yung anak nila, gumala, ayan, marami sa atin. Guys, I want you to understand, hindi to para i-motivate kayo ha, but I want you to understand, marami kayong mai-experience na heartbreaking moments eventually sa trading journey mo. But ngayon po lang, gusto kong tibayan yung sarili mo, gusto kong alalahanin mo na gagawin mo to para sa pamilya mo. And you know what? Because of that, yung pinaka-goal, pinaka-dream namin ni Coach Marge nyo, nagawa namin dahil dito. And that is bringing our family with us abroad, traveling. na wala silang mag-e-enjoy lang, hindi magtatrabaho, but to really enjoy life. So, last November, nagpunta kami ng Singapore, tapos moving December na nag-Malaysia kami together with the family of Coach Marge. And kami naman, pagka January, nag-Thailand kami together with my family. And ang sarap isipin na hindi kami mayaman, hindi kami galing sa marangyang pamilya, but giving back to our family, that's the best thing na nangyari po sa buhay namin. Kaya be excited, no? Kasi ang daming pwedeng mangyari sa iyo if you just embrace the process, no? So sa mga taga-China diyan, by the way, si Coach Marge next week, ano na lang to, almost every month na lang tong pumupunta abroad. Last month, nag-Thailand kami. Last March, nag-Japan. Ngayon naman, magcha-China na naman yan. So baka may time meet up. She'll be in Shanghai. She'll be in Shanghai next week. So baka may time magkita-kita kayo. Alright? So guys, dito guys, we po kami kumukuha dito ng pera tapos sasabihin namin sa inyo, kami na yung magte-trade para sa inyo. We highly respect those gumagawa niyan, no? Baka meron din silang ibang strategy. But for us, ang pinaka-goal ng Pinoy Traders Community, ng Traders Nation PH, ng lahat ng community under Pinoy Traders Community, guys, ang goal namin dito is to educate everyone para hindi nyo na po pinapamigay yung pera nyo. Okay? Kasi dun tayo natitempt eh. Bakit tayo natitempt? Ang goal natin minsan is magbigay lang ako ng pera, siya na yung bahala. That's the reason bakit andali natin may scam. Okay? That's the reason andali natin, dali kita mailad sa Bisaya pa, no? Guys, ang goal dito is we will not get any money from you for us to trade your money, but what we're gonna do is, kung ano yung natutunan namin, yun yung iduduplicate namin sa inyo para kayo magiging confident na mag-trade sa sarili niyong pera. Huwag nyo nang ipamigay sa kamag-anak nyo para ipalaki yan. Huwag nyo nang ipamigay sa, hindi ko naman nilalahat ha, huwag nyo nang ipamigay sa mga kaibigan nyo. Ikaw mismo dapat may control sa pera mo. Bakit? Kung ikaw may control sa pera mo, mas alam mo kung paano siya i-handle ng tama. Pero given, this time, aware ka na. This time, educated ka na. This time, equipped ka na sa skill kung paano mo palalakahin yung pera mo. At the same time, you will be confident enough to grow your own money kahit busy ka sa trabaho, kahit nagbabantay ka sa anak mo, kahit ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, you can do this on the side. Okay? So yun yung pinaka-goal natin. Now, dalawa yung part natin. We have the basic, good for zero knowledge talaga, and we have the cheat codes, perfect to sa mga advanced din. But bear with me. At the end of the webinar, I will give you an announcement, okay? Bibigay ko yung announcement kung paano kayo mananalo ng iPhone Pro, iPhone 17 Pro. Sorry, I stand corrected. It's not Pro Max, okay? iPhone 17 Pro, sino dito gustong manalo niyan? At the same time, I think 3 or 4 na iPhone 17 Pro yung ipaparaffle natin. At the same time, you will also know how to win a BYD seal. Ayan, sino dito wala pang kotse or gustong madagdagan yung kotse nila? This is perfect for you. Imagine, natuto ka na, magkaka-iPhone, magkaka-kotse ka pa. Alright? Now, guys, okay, eto na. This is the thing. This is the real deal. Question ko sa inyong lahat dito. Si Forex ba risky? Yes or no? Can you comment dyan? Yes or no? Sige nga, be honest. Be honest. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, guys. Can I be transparent sa inyo? Because I'm really concerned. Okay? I don't want you to think na pagpapasok dito kayo sa Forex trading, yayaman na kayo agad. Wala pong ganun. Ngayon ko pa lang nga, sasabihin ko na sa inyo. Baka balikan nyo ako, MJ, sabi mo, yayaman ako dito. Guys, hindi po to para sa mahihina ang loob. Hindi po to para sa mga iyakin. Hindi po to para sa mga complainer na pag hindi nila nakuha yung gusto nila, magrereklamo sila. Because right now, gusto ko nang itama yung mindset mo. Forex is risky. Okay? Forex is not for those who wanted to play safe. Okay? Pero, what I want you to understand, risky siya, yes, pwede ka mawala ng pera dito. Pero, if you will learn it, if you will manage it, Forex is very, very rewarding. Pwede niyang baguhin yung buhay mo 360 degrees. Pwede niyang ikutin yung buhay mo na never mong in-expect sa buong buhay mo, na sa tagal mo sa pagtatrabaho, na akala mo 2 years ka lang, 3 years ka lang, 4 years ka lang, yung 20 years mo, kung aaralin mo to, kaya niyang ma-shortcut yan once you will embrace the process. Kasi once you know how to do it, mamamanage mo na yung losses. I'm not telling you zero, but yes, you can manage it. You will know how to handle it already kasi may skill ka na, may alam ka na this time. Okay? Yan yung gusto kong maintindihan nyo. But I do believe, lalo na sa mga OFW na andito, kayo yung pinaka-perfect na tao na fit din sa ganitong industry. Why? Kung merong mang pinakamalakas ng loob ng mga Pilipino dito sa Pilipinas, yun yung mga umalis para maghanap ng magandang buhay, magandang pagkakakitaan para sa pamilya nila. Imagine going abroad, hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari sa iyo doon. 'Di ba? Hindi mo alam kung okay ba yung boss mo, hindi mo alam kung okay ba yung mga kasama mo, hindi mo alam kung okay ba yung lugar, wala bang gera doon, 'di ba? Pero you are there. Naglakas ka ng loob kasi alam mo pwede mong bigyan ng magandang buhay yung pamilya mo. Pero dito guys, what I want you to understand, yes, it's very risky. But ang maganda, kaya mo siyang aralin. Kaya mong maging profitable once may alam ka na. Okay? Now, moving forward, kaya ang dami din palang hindi nagtatagal sa trading guys. Okay? Mga pumapasok, pero hindi sila nagtatagal simply because according to Dr. Dinesh Sharma, ang sabi niya is, number one, sa research niya, bakit hindi sila nagtatagal, nagkikwit din sila agad, kasi number one, insufficient education and knowledge. Ito yung sabi ko sa inyo kanina pa lang, huwag kayong pumasok dito hoping na papaldo kayo, yayaman kayo, na magbabay-bay, sell-sell ka lang. Hindi ganun. May process siya. May tamang process siya na kailangan nating daanan. And, eto yung good news. Instead of making it 6 years, 10 years for you to learn this, yan yung pinaka-goal ng community natin, na mas papaikliin natin yung journey nyo para mas mabilis siya. Pero hindi ibig sabihin isang gabi lang, no? Pero at least mas mabilis siya more than those required years talaga. Okay? Now, another thing na kailangan nating maintindihan, if eto guys, hindi nyo pa to ma-resolve sa sarili nyo, chances are hindi talaga kayo magiging successful dito. Bakit ko sinasabi to? Marami kasi, imagine, doing something na ikaw personally, hindi ka buy-in, hindi ka settled sa puso mo. Kasi imagine mo, aaralin mo isang bagay, pero iniisip mo, ay, scam naman to. Ay, hindi naman to totoo. Kaysa aralin mo na confident ka sa sarili mo na kahit sinong tao magsabi sa'yo na scam to, tatawa ka na lang. Kasi sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, ay kawawa naman yung tao na yon. Hindi niya naintindihan, hindi niya nakita yung opportunity. Kasi bakit? Hindi sila dumaan sa tamang proseso. But here you are, learning this. I want you to understand, ito po yung situation na nangyayari sa forex trading industry. While the world is already accepting it, embracing it, learning it, this was my picture taken together with a local in Dubai, guys. Last October 6 to 7, this Forex Expo, did you know that it was held in Dubai World Trade Center and it was awarded as the largest attendance at a Forex event by Guinness World Records. Oh, sige, for legitimacy guys, i-screenshot nyo to, i-chat GPT nyo, tanong nyo kay chat GPT, totoo ba to? Totoo ba tong sinasabi ko na largest attendance at a Forex event? Because by then, eto pa lang guys, magsasabi sa inyo, ay, totoo pala talaga si Forex. It's just that, hindi lang talaga natin naintindihan kasi gusto natin yung shortcut. Gusto natin yung wala tayong gagawin tapos kikita tayo. We don't want that. Ang pinaka-goal natin, guys, ako personally, ang personal mission ko is maraming tao makakaintindi sa trading industry. Na hindi, ito kasi yung hindi pinaintindi sa atin sa school, ito yung hindi pinakita sa atin, ito yung isang bagay na sana kung alam natin, marami na tayong napauwi na OFW na hindi na mag-a-abroad. Kasi this knowledge has been kept away from us. Okay? Tinago to sa atin, kung hindi man tinago, sobrang mahal ng mga ganitong pag-aaral. Pero this time, ang pinaka-goal natin, hindi lang ako, hindi lang ikaw, kundi yung anak mo, yung kapatid mo, yung pamangkin mo, yung apo mo soon, magpapasalamat sa iyo kasi ikaw mismo naniwala ka na legit para tong industry na to at ikaw mismo makakapagturo sa kanila kung paano to gagawin. Okay? Now,
Alam mo yung feeling na akala mo gets
actually,
mo. Alam mo yung feeling na akala mo gets mo na yung trade.
sa Thailand, pakita sa
Alam
inyo.
mo yung feeling na akala mo gets mo na yung trade.
Skip ko lang guys. Oh my God, ano siya. Sige.
Alam mo yung feeling na akala mo gets mo na yung trading, pero may moments na bigla kang mareremind na ang dami mo pa palang pwedeng ma-experience. That's exactly what APAC 20 by DT Markets felt like here at Siam Kempinski Hotel, Bangkok. Yes, magandang venue, solid ang setup, may Lamborghini pa sa labas, pero hindi yun yung pinaka nag-mark sa akin. It was the people. Different nationalities, different levels, pero iisa yung energy, which is faith. Mga usapan na hindi lang tungkol sa profits, hindi sa mindset, discipline, and longevity in this game. And then mo ma-realize, trading isn't just a skill. It's a journey that connects you to the right people. From the awards, to the raffle, to seeing Miss Lydia, their popstar princess here in Thailand perform was really amazing. Pero higit sa lahat, it's the reminder that you're part of something bigger. And honestly, habang nakatayo ko doon, napaisip ako, this wasn't just hard work, this was grace. Because not everyone gets the privilege to be in rooms like this, to meet people like this, to experience moments like this. And for that, all glory goes back to God. Thank you, Jesus.
Ayan. So guys, that was a clip that happened last April together with Coach Nars. Imagine nyo, daming Vietnamese, Thailander, ang daming Malaysian na nasa industry na. But here we are, catching up. No? Super excited ako na marami pang Pinoy na hindi lang tayo makikilala bilang magaling na OFW, but magaling na mga traders sa buong mundo. Okay? Now, did you know guys, si Forex kasi, it's a legitimate trading market. Parang ganito. Dati, di ba yung nakaugalian natin is barter, na palitan ng mga goods, silver, gold, pero this time, ang pinakamalaking impact ni Forex trading is yung palitan ng pera, palitan ng currencies. Kunwari, this time, bakit siya, ito pa lang pinaka-basic na understanding kung masasabi mo talaga na legit. Bilang isang OFW, bakit po tayo nasabihan na makabagong bayani? Simply because you are helping the economy. Okay? How can you help the economy? By sending money to the Philippines. That alone is Forex trading. That's a cross-border business na tinutulungan nyo na maganda yung pasok ng pera sa Pilipinas. And that alone helps our economy. So hindi si Forex guys, hindi siya yung tipong sugal lang. Okay? Yan yung next na ko gusto ko ipaintindi sa inyo. Hindi siya sugal. Forex is not gambling. Forex is not haram. Gambling is walang pure luck lang, walang basis. But si Forex guys, si trading needs proper knowledge, needs strategy, needs to assess and analyze something, especially on the economy, especially on the volume of mga investors, kasama po yan sa trading. Hindi po siya tsamba-tsamba lang, hindi po siya hula-hula lang. Forex is strategic. Kailangan siya ng strategic risk. And bakit maganda si Forex? Simply because, number one, digital business. Okay? Now, kahit man, wag naman sana, Lord, pero kahit mag-pandemic man ulit, hindi ka kakabahan kasi as long as may cellphone ka, hindi kailangan laptop hindi kailangan PC talaga agad. As long as may cellphone ka, may data ka, pwede kang kumita dito. Sino dito sa inyo kinabahan during the war? Ang dami pong na forced leave, ang dami pong nawalan ng trabaho, totoo yun, apektado dito. But guys, bakit pa natin hihintayin na mangyari sa atin yun? Bakit pa natin hihintayin na mangyari sa atin yung mga bagay na kinakatakutan natin na pwede naman nating harapin yan by learning new skill, and just like this, trading pwedeng makatulong sa atin whatever happens to the economy, whatever happens sa trabaho na pinagkukunan natin ng source of funds. Kasi guys, very flexible siya. When I say flexible, kahit magtrabaho ka, pwede mo siyang gawin kahit 15 to 30 minutes lang. Totoo ba yan, MJ? Akala ko 24/7 talaga nakatutok. No, guys. Meron tayong tinatawag na approach or trading style. Ano ba yung mga trading style? May position trader, usually the big banks, the financial institution, yung sobrang malaking capital, sila yung mga position traders. Years. They take their trades years, months. Yun, ang maganda doon is long term talaga. Pero may tinatawag tayo na swing trader, no? You can do the trades in weeks. Meron tayong tinatawag na day trader. Yun talaga medyo nakatutok ka doon. Pero good news, you can start by being a scalper. Ano ba yun? Or scalping trade. Ano ba yun? Kahit konting oras lang, kahit 5 minutes, kahit 10 minutes, kahit 15 minutes ka lang mag-trade, kukurot ka lang sa market, pwede po yan. Okay? Valid ba yan? Legit ba yan? Yes, 4 po ang strategy or approach mo sa trading. Pero pwede mag-evolve ka there. You can be a swing trader later on. Okay? So what I want you to understand is kahit may trabaho ka, after your work, you can still do it kasi 24/5 open ang market. Okay? When you say 24/5, open siya 24/7 on the weekdays. But on the weekends, open po ang crypto paired with currency. Okay? So, low startup cost. When you say low startup cost, pwede pala dito kahit $100 lang. Hindi kailangan milyon ang kailangan. Kahit $100 lang pwede. Dati kasi akala ko pang mayaman lang. Ngayon, pwede pala kahit sino. Pang-apat, high earning potential. Did you know I have a student? Her name is May. She's from Canada. When she started zero knowledge, inaral niya, it took her 1 month and 2 weeks para maaral to. Dati kasi 6 years, di ba? That time, 1 month and 2 weeks pa lang siya. Did you know, when she started doing live trading, in-apply niya, inaral niya, nasa VIP community kasi siya natin, yung $100 niya, naging $2,000 in just a span of 3 days. Yung 5,000 plus niya or almost 6,000, naging magkano? Almost magkano ba? 120,000 in just 3 days. Ganun kalaki ang potential earning dito. Actually, ano pa yun spare change pa yun. Sobrang liit pa nun sa mga pro traders talaga, sa mga traders talaga na profitable. May mga kakilala ko dito guys, umiiyak na yung araw nila pag 50 mil lang yung kinita nila sa isang araw. Ganun kalaki yung pwedeng kitain dito. Okay? Now, last but not the least, no experience needed. Hindi kailangan na matalino ka sa math. Hindi kailangan matalino ka sa lahat ng bagay. Importante dito, you have the willingness to learn. Especially if you feel like you're already successful to your field right now. Marami kasi akong kakilala. Just like me, when I entered ba, akala ko magaling na ako. May mga kakilala ko, lawyers na, doctors na. Nung pumasok dito, it seems like parang hindi nila magets-gets. Kasi nga, yung willingness nila to learn is not as much as those people na talagang wala pa, gusto pa nilang mag-explore sa buhay. Now, what I did, nag-humble down ako. Sabi ko, aaralin ko to. I will forget ano yung status ko, ano yung position ko sa labas. This time, pagpapasok ako dito, I will be a newbie, I will be a learner, and I will embrace the process. So, by then guys, mas napadali yung proseso. Hindi tiningnan ko round ko, ang tiningnan ko bago ako. So, sobrang open. Be an open cup. Importante yon dito once you are starting. Okay? So lahat ng yon, yung rason kung bakit mo magandang aralin to. Okay? Ano ba si Forex? Okay? Again guys, nasabi ko na to kanina. Si Forex po is the buying and selling of currencies. Palitan ng pera. And eto siya guys, oh, on the basic or traditional way, eto po yung makikita nyo. Sino dito yung nakakita nito sa airport? Comment number 1. Sige nga. Or nakita nyo to sa mga banks. Comment number 1 guys. Can you comment number 1? Okay, si Sir Roland lang ba andito? Si Sir Bernard lang ba? Okay, I hope hindi pa nakatulog yung iba ha. Eto po siya. Okay? Para hindi po kayo ma-shock, ito yung tinutukoy namin na forex trading. Ay, yan pala yun, MJ. Yes. Okay, but this is the traditional way. Kung global kasi, hindi mo magawa dito. Imagine mo, lahat ng currencies, dadalhin mo dito, palitan mo, tapos punta ka na naman sa ibang country. It's not possible. But this time, may mga applications na po kasi sa market, no? May mga platforms, may mga brokers na wherein it gives us a chance to go in the international level, which is yun yung pag-uusapan natin mamaya. So sa traditional way, guys, basically, kailangan mong bumili at a lower price and sell it on a higher price. Okay? You buy low, you sell high. Yun yung pinaka basic understanding natin doon. If you have $1 sa panahon na 50 pesos pa si dollar tapos 58 na siya ngayon, that's 8 pesos profit. Imagine if you have $1,000. Right now probably may 8,000 pesos to 10,000 pesos ka na because you buy low and then you sell high. However, ang question dyan is, MJ, paano if bumili ako at a higher price tapos ibebenta ko siya at a lower price? Malulugi ako dyan. Yes. But don't worry kasi yan yung pag-uusapan natin which is in the global sense. Okay? Using valid and legit brokers and platform. Okay? So, balik tayo dito guys. Did you know na si Forex po, magpipinsan yan sila ni crypto? Yes, legit po si crypto. Magpipinsan sila ni stock trading, ni treasuries, ni bonds. Okay? Now, pero ang pinakamalaki dyan sa financial market, it's Forex trading. Right now, it's not sitting at 6.7 trillions. It's sitting at 7.3 to 7.5 trillions of dollars traded every single day. Okay, ulitin ko lang. 7.3 trillions of dollars. Not monthly, not weekly, daily. Not millions, not billions, but trillions. Tama po yung narinig nyo. That means you are in the richest industry right now. And palakpakan natin yan, guys. I just wanna congratulate you right now because you are already here. You are learning the richest industry in the world. And global yan, guys, ha? Ibig sabihin, andito ka na. This time, ito pa lang, this is something big. And kaya hindi ko maintindihan, ito sabi dito, most liquid business in the world. Kaya hindi ko maintindihan, may mga magtatanong sa akin, no? May magtatanong sa akin na, MG, sabi sa akin, kailangan ko muna mag-invite para kumita sa trading. Kailangan ko munang mag-invest bago ako maka-withdraw ng certain amount, 'di ba? Guys, if legit yung platform nyo, if legit yung broker nyo, you can deposit anytime and you can withdraw anytime. Ulitin ko lang, anytime. Hindi pwede na pag-withdraw mo, kailangan munang magpasok ng tao. Pag-withdraw mo, kailangan munang mag-deposit muna ng ganito. Guys, that's a red flag. So be very careful. Okay? Eto na mention ko na, it operates 24/5. It's available on any smart devices. Wala naman siguro andito na nakakipad pa, ano? Siguro andito ka naman, smartphone ka na, okay? And guys, did you know that marami pong nagte-trade sa market? We have the government, we have the central banks. Sino ba itong mga financial institutions? We have the JP Morgan, kasama po sila. Maraming nakikita po natin yan sa sa Cebu, sa IT Park, sa BGC, maraming mga nakalagay na JP Morgan. Kasi guys, these are the whales. Ito yung malalaking traders in the industry. and individuals like us. Sino ba tayo? We are called retail traders. Can you type retail? R-E-T-A-I-L. We are the retail traders. Okay? So guys, ang question dyan is if the price goes down, kikita pa din ba ako? Kasi kung bumili ako at a higher price, binenta ko at a lower price, the answer is no. Okay? Hindi ka kikita dyan. You have to wait, you have to hold, then sell it later on. But good news. Listen to this. Listen to this carefully. Okay? We have sessions to take advantage. Actually, guys, we are using MetaTrader 4 or MT5 as our platform. Okay? And VT Markets as our broker. Okay? Now, si VT Markets po, wag kayong mag-alala. So far, so good po yung broker na yan. We are directly connected to the account managers, to the country managers. So far guys, sa lahat ng nasubukan namin ng mga so far maganda yung spread nila. Hindi lang email yung mapoprovide nila. But don't worry, you will get the links through your coaches na naka-assign. Mamaya i-assign namin kayo sa mga coaches para hindi din ma-overwhelm kung sa akin kayo lahat, okay? May mga magagaling po tayo na coaches na i-assign namin sa inyo later on. But going back here, nasanay kasi tayo na buy low, sell high, okay? Ang good news sa platform po, even if hindi kayo nakabili at high, okay, nakabuy at low, sa platform po kasi natin, kahit mag-sell na kayo agad, wala po yung problema. Okay? Kasi dati iniisip ko, kailangan muna ako bumili ng buy, tapos saka ko isi-sell. No. Sa platform po, pwede na kayong mag-direct sell. Pagka-sell nyo, pwede na, pagbaba nun, you can profit. Okay? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng buy? Si buy po, you are forecasting that the market will go up. So, nag-entry kayo ng buy. Pag umakyat yan, profit po kayo. Okay? Now, buy, other term for it is bullish or long. Okay, again, you are forecasting that the market is going up. Si sell naman, you are forecasting that the market is going down. Okay, ulitin ko, sell, other term for this is short or bearish. Okay, you are forecasting that the market is going down. All right, now question ko lang sa inyo. Ano sa tingin nyo, okay, meron pa pala to, sorry, another terms to remember, take profit or stop loss. Si take profit, it's an order that closes your trade once it reaches a certain level of profit. So, ibig sabihin, nag-entry ka ng buy, may certain price ka lang na sinet, kahit tulog ka, kahit naglalaba ka, kahit nasa trabaho ka, once naka-take profit ka na or TP na yung, may take profit na nakaset ka na, automatic mag-close na yung trade mo. Same thing with SL. Si SL po kasi, it is an order para automatic mag-execute, para hindi maubos yung capital mo. Kasi guys, you need to understand, gusto natin mag-profit. Pero taking profit is also as much as important, or capital protection is also as much as important than taking profit. Importante buhay yung capital mo. Hindi siya maubos agad kasi everyday naka-open naman si market. Okay? Now, sa tingin nyo guys, is this a buy or is this a sell? Sige nga, comment kayo. I want to test if you are really listening. Gusto kong makita dito kung itong batch na to is talagang nakikinig ba. Sige nga, I can see na may nagbabuy. Sabi dito may nag-sell. Sige nga, ano ba sa tingin nyo ang ginawa ng trader na to? Nag-buy ba siya or nag-sell na siya? Basic guys. Diba? If you are forecasting that the market is going up, it is a buy. If you are forecasting that the market will go down, it is a sell. Okay. Klarong-klaro guys, ang tinik ni trader is buy. May arrow na nga eh. Pero guys, nung simula, hindi pa to nakita ni trader. Okay, itong apat na to guys, wala pa siyang idea. But for sure, meron na siyang analysis dito. Kaya dito siya nag-entry, dito siya nag-position at this price, dito siya nag-buy at 1.098554. We call this guys price. Okay? So, nung tinake to ni trader, naghintay lang siya na umakyat. We call this candlesticks by the way. Yung market nag-umakyat, nung umabot na sa price na to, na hit na to ng candlestick na to, ang nangyari guys, automatic nag-close. So, anong tawag dyan? Take profit or target 1. Nung umabot na naman to dito, sa part na to, nag-take profit to si trader. So, makakatulog ng mahimbing si trader. Pero, just in case whatever happens, hindi natin kontrolado ang market, meron din siyang stop loss. So, para hindi maubos yung capital ni trader. Same thing here, guys. Ang maganda dito on the basic note pala. Basic note, guys. Going up, buy, di ba? Pero may kita nyo, ang take profit nasa taas. Ang stop loss nasa baba, pag buy. Pag sell naman, ang take profit nasa baba, ang stop loss naman is nasa taas. Okay? Para hindi lang kayo malito. Pero basic lang to guys. Ha? Okay, moving forward. Ito din pala yung mga jargons. No? TP means take profit. SL, stop loss. MM, money management. Cut loss. Margin call. Ito yung iiwasan natin na malapit nang maubos yung capital mo. Mag-i-email si broker sa'yo. Wag naman. Pero lahat tayo makaka-experience talaga niyan. Cut loss meaning closing your trade kahit hindi pa siya umaabot sa stop loss. Ikaw na mismo nag-close. Ang dami niyan guys, pero don't worry, okay? You will encounter that along the way. Now, ito pala yung mga forex major currency pairings. Bakit siya dalawa? May tinatawag tayo guys na tug of war of currencies. Ito kasi meron tayo yung tinatawag na base currency and quote currency. Parang ito yung nangyari guys. Pag maganda yung takbo ni euro, paakyat yan ang trend ng market. Pero pag mahina naman si euro at mataas si USD, pababa yan. Okay? Kaya may akyat, may baba. Nagtatag of war yung different currencies. Okay? So yan yung nangyari. Aside from that, we have commodities. So we trade on gold, we trade on silver, we trade on oil. You can access that sa mga platforms natin. We also trade on US 30. Ano yan? Ito yung mga Dow Jones or top 30 na most influential publicly traded companies in the US. So marami yan na pwede nating ma-access. Okay? Now, I'm almost done. Listen to this. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina guys, na hindi po sugal si Forex. Meron siyang basis. Sa sugal kasi, malabo talagang manalo dyan. Pero paswertehan lang kasi ang control na sa sugal is yung developer. Dito kasi guys, maraming nagte-trade. Gobyerno, institutional traders, tayo, 'di ba? So kailangan i-analyze ng tama. Okay? Ang approach dyan guys is tatlo. We have the sentimental, we have the technical, and the fundamental. But commonly and mostly used is the technical and fundamental. Si fundamental guys, ang market analysis or approach niya is through balita. Can you type news? Can you type news? By researching on the news, by checking on the news, by checking on the economical factor na nangyayari sa bansang yan, that's what we call fundamental approach. But ang question, kailangan ko bang i-research yan? No. May mga websites wherein you can access the news na meron pa na yung schedules, guys. Also, si technical naman is commonly used for basing patterns, basing chart patterns, kung ano yung mga volume ng mga buying and selling on the market. Papakita ko sa inyo ha. Si fundamental, ito yon, no? You can even check forexfactory.com. You can search that out. Meron na po yung mga balita na nakaset. Okay? Andyan na, nakakompile na. But checking on this red, be very careful. Lalo na pag bago ka pa, huwag kang mag-trade sa mga kulay pula na yan. That's what we call high impact news. Okay? High impact news. Ang nangyayari sa market pag may mga high impact news guys, very volatile. Sobrang akyat tapos biglang baba. So be very careful kasi baka lang may mga instance na papasok ka, hindi mo nakita. Always check if may mga high impact news. Okay? Etong mga nakapula. Lalo sa trading, sa tinetrade mo na asset. Okay? Kung gold ka, USD, pag mga naka-USD, kaya yan, may impact yan sa tinetrade mo. Okay? Now, did you know that technical analysis, guys, is more likely focus on the trends sa market, sa momentum, sa volatility, sa volume. Ito yung nakikita nyo, guys. And did you know, even before, hindi to acknowledge. It was only on the late 1990s na na-open tong approach na to kasi eventually, ang dami nilang nakikita na the same patterns lang pala yung nangyayari sa market. Okay? Kaya meron silang mga nakikita na mga patterns or mga instances na kunwari ito, no? We call this resistance and support. Support and resistance. Wherein si support, ito yung floor, si resistance yan yung ceiling. At ang ginagawa diyan, guys, siniset siya para makita kung saan nagba-bounce ang prices. And once lumabas yung price diyan, we call that breakout. Okay? Now, ito din, we have the falling wedge, we have this. Ang dami nito, guys, sa sobrang dami ng patterns na pwede mong makita. But we just choose few. Ito yung tinatawag natin na bullish pattern. Ito naman yung bearish pattern. Ano nga ulit yung bullish? Buy, paakyat. So, katulad nito, we have the inverse head and shoulders. Kung nakita nyo tong patterns na to, guys, kung ganito yung pormahan ng candlestick, it's giving you a hint that the market is going up. Okay? Kasi bullish pattern siya. Ito naman, the symmetrical triangle, pag nakita yung mga ganito, if you're familiar with this, mas madali yung mahint, no, na okay, the market is actually going down. Okay? Now, question, guys. Given the information I have given you, can you be honest with me? Okay lang ba? Sa tingin nyo ba complicated si Forex? Yes or no? Sige nga. Be honest. It's okay to be honest. I totally understand. Ano sa tingin nyo? MJ, parang ang hirap naman. Nako, parang hindi para sa akin yan. Or MJ, madali lang pala yan. Kayang-kaya ko yan, di ba? Yes, no, yes. As of now, complicated. I can see comments coming. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, guys, tap on the back. Congratulations. No? Thank you for being honest. Why? Yes, I totally agree with you. It can be complicated. But guys, I want you to understand why. Bakit maraming tao hindi nagsa-start sa forex trading? Number one, it's complicated. Totoo yan. Okay? Bakit hindi tayo nagso-survive sa industry na to? Ang hirap aralin. Agree? MJ, ang hirap naman yan. Parang babalik na naman ako mag-trigonometry niyan. Ang hirap naman aralin yan. I totally understand you. Pero, what if I tell you, meron tayong system na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo na mas ipapasimple pa natin yung mga bagay-bagay. Do you like that? When you say mapapasimple natin yung mga bagay-bagay, instead of going to trigonometry agad-agad, i-explain muna natin ano yung division, subtraction, addition, multiplication. Gusto nyo ba yun? Kasi marami pong community nagtuturo, I have nothing against them. Gusto agad, tinuturo agad yung Fibonacci, yung mga double top, lahat na para lang maaral nyo. Pero for a newbie, I totally understand, sobrang hirap. Pero mamaya guys, isi-share ko sa inyo what totally help our community para mas okay? Pangalawa, napupunta sa scammers. No, instead na matuto ka, ang gusto mo kasi nakikita mo profit agad. Wow, income agad, okay? Pero dito guys, in our community, we want you to understand again na aralin natin to ng tamang paraan. Okay? Pangatlo, hindi to get rich quick scheme guys ha. Pangatlo, mahal ang course. Okay? Now, for those people who are in UAE, I don't know if you can confirm this, okay? Sa UAE po, meron po ako nakausap doon. Merong school doon, parang college ata or university. Yung entry niya, wala pang ang candlestick na napag-uusapan, nasa 10,000 pesos na. Pero pag magko-continue ka, nasa 3.6 million pesos. Pero yung mga kaklase mo, mga lokal, mga engineers, mga Breton, mga ganon. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, this is the current, did you know this is the current average amount for you to learn this skill? Kaya naiintindihan namin, hindi natin alam to at hindi natin na-access, hindi tinuturo sa atin to kasi sobrang mahal. Nasa 70 to 150,000. Guys, imagine, 2018, may nagkandak ng training din na ganito. It was also held in Lux Hotel. Alam nyo ba yung minimum down payment nila? Down payment pa lang yun was around 80,000 pesos. And sobrang minimal pa yung slots. Okay? Pangalawa, Okay? Yung mga advance, 400,000. Ang lahat ng to guys, pupunta ka pa ng BGC for 1 week, aaralin mo. Right after that, bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Kasi ibibigay lang sa'yo eh. Okay? Ganun siya kamahal. Okay? Kung ito yung babayaran natin para mag-aral, kaya nyo ba? Guys, ako personally, hindi ko talaga kaya. I was at the moment, I was at my lowest moment nung nakita ko to si Forex trading ulit. Okay? Meron ding mga nag-o-offer na online na magkano. Can you confirm from Canada? I think may nag-send sa akin ito sa Canada, nakita niya lang din online. Nasa around 80 to 100,000 plus meron pang monthly subscription na babayaran. Monthly, imagine mo magbabayad ka pa monthly. Naku po, kaya hindi natin maaral-aral kasi ang mahal. Ang hirap pang aralin. Pero alam nyo guys, my story was different. This time, I know what is happening in the Forex scene. But I'm totally grateful. I'm totally grateful kay Coach Nars kasi in-encourage na ulit ako mag-aral. Actually, he's my mentor sa e-commerce industry and I didn't know he was doing Forex. All along, magka-same lang pala kami ng pinasok na industry, pero different community kami. Ang hirap magkumuha ng breakthrough sa forex trading. Okay? But you know what? Sabi niya sa akin, MJ, did you know that I have a student na na-interview sa RBR Talks? His name is Ed, or Edsel ata yun. Nung in-interview siya, alam niyo po, nakabayad lang naman siya ng 25 to 26 million pesos na utang dahil po sa trading. Sino dito may mga utang? Huwag na po kayong magtaas ng kamay. Si Lord na yung nakakaalam. But I want to encourage you na kung nakaya ng tao na yon, sabi ko kung nakaya niya, anong meron sa akin na hindi ko kakayanin? Kasi I was at my lowest, hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin. It was a good thing na in-encourage ako ni Coach Marge. Sabi niya, yan, aralin mo ulit. Baka yan yung hinahanap mo. Kasi muntik na naman ako makapasok sa hindi magandang bagay, guys. Kasi nga, gusto ng easy money. It was a good thing. My partner was there. She told me, aralin mo. Yung sinabi ni Coach Nars. October of 2024, I entered again. I re-journey again sa trading industry and everything. Everything fast forward, guys, nako. I didn't know that this can happen to me. I didn't even see myself speaking in front of many people sharing about forex trading kasi alam ko mahal, alam ko ang hirap aralin. But how about guys? How about sino dito sa inyo gusto na madali, gusto na affordable, gusto ng structured training? Sige nga, comment number 1 because that's what I'm gonna tell you guys. Ito yung nakatulong sa akin. Sabi ni Coach Nars sa akin, MJ, huwag kang mag-alala kasi this time may tinatawag na tayo na cheat code. Sabi ko, ano ba yan, Coach Nars? Ito yung rason guys kung bakit ako andito right now. And you know what? This cheat code, this Hero 30-day challenge gave me the chance. Sabi sa akin ni Coach Nars, MJ, how about I tell you na in 30 days time, kung bibigyan mo lang to ng 30 minutes to 1 hour in a day, kaya mong matuto and kaya mong ma-unlock yung strategy that's giving us profit. Yung strategy na nakatulong sa atin na naging profitable kami dito. And alam nyo guys, ako moving forward, hindi lang ako, but ang dami ng kumikita sa community natin. Kasi kahit zero knowledge sila, kahit anong edad nila, meron tayong secret recipe na tinuturo sa community, lalo na sa mga VIP, na kaya madali nilang magets. And eto guys, pakinggan nyo tong story ni Sir Ace coming from UAE, na empleyado, ginagawa niya lang to on the side. Pakinggan nyo ha, pakinggan nyo ng maigi kung magkano yung kinita niya from zero knowledge. Okay? Pakinggan nyo. Wait lang ha.
So, ibig sabihin, sir, yung $1,000 mo, naging $25.
25,000.
25,000 po.
Pwede sabihin, $25,000 in 1 month. And
Yes po.
magkano yung total profit mo right now, sir, if you don't mind? Sa ilang buwan mo po dito sa community natin?
Sa Magto 2 months pa lang po ako this coming September 7 to be exact. Last Thursday, nag-withdraw po uli ako, and then the total na-withdraw na po sa account po is $44,000.
Wow, that's around, magkano ba yan sa Philippine peso right now? It's around 44,000. Grabe na, nagagad-agad.
Nasa 2 million plus.
Ngayon eh. So it's around 2.5 million. Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako sa nag-aabang. Ito po ako. Pero
Magkano?
Parang hindi siya naka-clear. Grabe. Yung iba dito, guys. Okay, bawal ang screenshot. Sorry lang. Dito, guys, pinakitahan tayo ni Sir
ayan
Ace.
po ang aking withdrawals. May mga withdrawals po ako. Ayan po, $10,000, $2,000, $7,000. Withdrawals po yan.
Wow!
Hindi
Grabe!
po sa pagyayabang, withdrawals po. At very thankful din po ako lalo din sa kay Miss In.
Yes.
From VT Markets.
Sa VT Markets. Opo, sa VT Markets.
Yun napakaganda para sa inyo din po, Coach Mars, kay Coach MJ. Talagang
Sir.
helpful, talagang napaka-thankful.
Guys, narinig nyo yon? Sige nga, sa mga nakarinig, magkano ang kinita ni Sir Ace and ilang months niya lang natutunan? Sige nga, magkano at ilang months? Imagine, 2.5 million pesos in 2 months time. That's how profitable he is, and ganun kalaki yung potential. Hindi ko sinasabi lahat dito ganun agad yung kikitain, pero imagine if merong chance na kumita ka ng ganun kalaki doing this on the side. Hindi namin sinasabi na iwanan nyo yung trabaho nyo. Idagdag nyo lang to kaysa mag-TikTok kayo, kaysa kakapanood nyo ng mga AI videos dyan. 'Di ba? Ganun kalaki yung potential kaysa maubos-ubos yung mga oras natin kakapanood ng mga vlogs diyan. Hindi naman tayo kumikita. How about, 'di ba? Yan sabi pa si Sir Jordan, kaka-scatter pa. 'Di ba? Ito na lang aralin natin. But paano ba? Ano ba yung i-expect ko sa inyo, guys? Guys, kung yung kinita ni Sir Ace, inaral niya in 2 months time, magkano kaya yung binayaran niya para matutunan to? Ano sa tingin nyo at magkano sa tingin nyo yung binayad niya para matutunan to? Sige nga, can you give at least how much para at least matutunan to? $100? Ang liit naman. Imagine mo, pwede kang kumita ng 2.5 million in 2 months. Nako, baka 10 taon, 5 taon mo kitain yung 2.5 million na yan sa trabaho, or siguro 2-3 taon. Tapos grabe na yung trabaho mo. Magkano sa tingin nyo yung binayaran ni Sir Ace? Guys, grabe. $100? $200,000? $100,000? $1,000? How about free? Nako, kung naghahanap ka ng libre, mag-YouTube ka na lang. Nothing against that, but anything in life na may value, guys, that is not for free. Okay? Now, guys, how about I tell you, yung binayaran dyan ni Sir Ace para kumita siya ng 2.5 million pesos in 2 months time, and even earning sa community natin, kumita ng 39 million pesos on all. Imagine, guys, nagbayad lang naman si Sir Ace ng $599. Okay? Pero guys, 599 times siguro 56. Oh no, sorry, 59 to 60. Magkano yan? Nasa, sige nga, can you help me out? 599 times 60, magkano? 35,900. Nasa 36,000. Question, sa kinita ni Sir Ace na 2.5 million, sa 36,000 niya, bawi na ba siya or hindi pa? Sige nga, can you help me out? 36,000, pwede na ba? Imagine guys, hindi lang yon magtatapos doon. Pwede niya pang ituro yon sa anak niya, sa kapatid niya, sa pinsan niya, sa asawa niya, sa buong pamilya niya. Sige nga, ano sa tingin niyo? Bawi or bawing-bawi? Question ko, bawi or bawing-bawi? Pwede na ba mag-for good? Pwede na ba kasama yung pamilya? Pwede na ba? Sobra pa. Tama, sobra pa. But guys, ano ba yung makukuha natin dyan? we have the manual trading foundations na structured na siya. Hindi siya yung tipong magka-copy trading ka lang, hindi siya yung tipong magsisignal-signal ka lang. From zero knowledge, guys, kung ano yung ida-download na platform, paano i-download yung platform, paano gumawa ng account sa broker, as in step by step by step by step, aaralin mo siya, guided na siya, pre-recorded lahat ng videos. Ibig sabihin, kahit may trabaho ka, pwedeng-pwede kasi on your vacant time, pwede mong panoorin ang mga recorded videos at meron din tayong live. Meaning, you can do it at your own pace. Hindi ka ipipressure. Okay? Now, aside from that, ito yung isa sa ituturo sa inyo. Coming from the foundation, meron ding proven and tested strategy that we call the XAU Sniper. And guys, imagine nyo, isa to sa nakatulong kay Sir Ace na kumita lang naman siya ng 356,000 pesos in just one day because of this strategy. Who among you here would want to learn this? Comment number 1. Sino dito gustong matuto ng isang skill na pwede kang kumita ng ganito sa isang araw? Yung 36,000 guys, nako, kulang pa yon pambayad. This has been a proven strategy. Ituturo sa iyo from basic to advanced. Imagine, hindi copy trading, hindi lang signal-signal. Pero may bonus kami. Ito yung makukuha nyo guys. Tingnan nyo. Meron kayong website. Lahat ng andon ituturo sa inyo. Okay? At the same time guys, meron ding mag-guide sa inyo. Plus, may bonus pa. Ano yung mga bonus? Can you type bonus? Can you type bonus? Meron pang Surefire VIP signal na ito guys, trade ideas na day trading yung approach. Okay? Na pag sinundan nyo lang din to, makakatulong sa confluences nyo. Ayan. Ito yung mga pinagpo-post natin na legit talaga yung mga ano natin. At the same time, we have this what we call smart move indicator. It's more of ICT SMC approach guys na bibigyan ka na ng idea when to buy or when to sell in the market. Okay? The smart move indicator that is accessible siya guys 24/7. Okay? So makikita nyo talaga to. At the same time, ito yung pinaka-exciting. Ano yon MJ? May bonus pang-apat. Okay, ito yung isang bagay na meron sana akong kasama mag-trade. Meron sana akong makita na mag-trade na maturo sa akin kung paano to at ipapakita niya talaga sa akin kung paano gagawin. Guys, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. We have live trading zone.
Sino pumaldo guys? 72 USD, 1
Ayan. Guys, ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Guys, kasama nyo yung mga coaches na mag-trade sa market. Kasama nyo sila. Makikita nyo when to buy, when to sell. TP na, SL na. Ito na guys, ito na yung gagawin natin. Sino dito excited sa inyo na ganyan? Imagine, may manual trading, may strategy at kasama pa namin kayo magla-live trade every single day. Sino dito gustong makasama mag-TP ngayong Monday? Sige nga. Mag-TP ngayong Monday kasi today is Sunday, bukas na. Sino dito yung gustong sumama? May good news kami sa inyo. Guys, lahat ng yun, good news. Kasi we are still on a promo. Ayan, nako naman. Thank you so much to our founder. Very generous. Guys, I know you will tell me, MJ, extended na naman ba yung promo natin? Guys, walang sisihan ha. Today, sa lahat ng magko-comment ng promo, can you comment promo? Can you comment promo dyan sa comment section? Sa lahat ng magko-comment ng promo, this is just an on-the-call offer. When you say on-the-call offer, lahat ng magko-comment dyan, lahat ng mag-grab dyan, yan lang po yung bibigyan namin ng promo. And guys, we only have few slots left. Every coaches may at least 1 to 2 slots yan na available. Pinakamarami na dyan is 5. Hindi pwede sobrang dami naming turuan kasi hindi din namin kaya lahat maisa-isa. Kaya we are only offering this today and few slots lang po yung i-open namin. We only have 20 slots available today. So ibig sabihin, hindi po namin mapagbibigyan lahat. We only have few slots to be accepted today. And lahat yan kung nag-comment ka ng promo dyan. Okay? Because those who will comment promo, okay, bigyan natin ng 10 seconds. Sige nga, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, i-close na natin to guys sa mga coaches na naka-screenshot dyan, naka-monitor. I'm sorry but it's already closed. But for those na nag-comment ng promo, you will be the one receiving 50% off. Instead of paying $599, you will only pay $198, and guys, you can access this lifetime. When you say lifetime, MJ, magbabayad muna ako, baka busy muna ako this time, okay lang ba kahit next month ako magsimula? Yes, walang problema yon. MJ, yung 36,000 na babayaran ko, this time 11,000 na lang, okay lang ba? Ito na bayaran ko na today. Yes na yes na yes. Okay? Now, can I have an additional good news to you? You can message the coach or the person na nagbigay sa'yo ng link na to. Okay? This is just for today, guys, ha? Now, guys, and I still have a good news to you. For those who will start today at nag-comment ng promo dyan, I can sense that you are very excited. At para kasama namin kayo mag-live trade bukas. Okay? Pero, of course, you need to check and follow muna. Mag-observe muna kayo sa live trading bukas. Okay?
Nandito lang
Guys, everything, etong tinuro natin kay Ma'am Divine, lahat ng mga profitable na mga traders natin dito, mayroon pa akong good news sa inyo. Instead of paying $198, you will just only pay for today $99. Ibig sabihin, from 36,000, you will just only pay 5,700. To be exact, guys, 5,700 lang yung babayaran nyo today, and that's just gonna be today. Not tomorrow, just today. Okay? So guys, sa lahat ng makaka-avail ng limited slots, at the same time nag-comment dyan ng promo, kayo lang po yung mabibigyan namin ng $99 for today with the lifetime access. Okay? Plus, good news. Lahat ng to, step-by-step recording, XEU Sniper, live trading strategies, trade ideas, smart move indicator, lahat yan ma-access nyo lifetime. At the same time, you will have the chance to win an iPhone 17 Pro plus a car giveaway. Palakpakan naman natin yan, guys. Imagine, natuto ka na. Pwede ka pang magka-iPhone and BYD seal. And our first draw will be this coming June and upcoming few months. And this December, you can win an BYD seal 5. Nako, grabe. Saan kayo nakakita ng eskwelahan na nag-enroll ka, nagbayad ka, naku yung 5,700, napakamura lang naman noon kaysa nung binayad mo nung nag-college ka, 'di ba? Tapos doon, grado pa yung binibigay, this time pera na, USD na, dollars na. Naku guys, imagine, plus meron ka pang raffle draw para manalo ka nito. Nako, eto pa lang, bawing-bawi ka na, paldong-paldo ka na talaga. And guys, sa lahat ng mga nagstay until the end, another bonus will be, just type, I joined the webinar or comment, I joined the webinar sa page or sa tao na kausap mo right now na nag-send sa'yo ng link na to, and let them know that you finished this webinar para mapasok po namin kayo sa free GC natin and also access mga trainings. Pero guys, iba yung VIP ha. Because you will tell me, MJ, wala pa akong pera today. Okay lang ba? Mag-observe muna ako. Okay lang. Pero guys, iba pa din yung VIP. You cannot access everything I told you. But may mga trainings na good for you. Okay? So I joined the webinar. And guys, eto pa. Ang sarap sa feeling na kasama mo yung mga classmates mo at batchmates mo. Etong 170 na to, I want to see you na magkaka-batch-batch kayo. Okay? Tingnan niyo yung mga kasama, yung nag-comment ng promo kanina, hanapin niyo mamaya sa VIP GC natin. Kasi yan na yung mga kabatch nyo. Guys, remember, do not enter this field na you are depriving yourself something to learn. Invest in your knowledge. Kasi guys, kung sa totohanan na, real talk, ano ba yung makukuha mo if mag-i-invest ka sa sarili mo? Sige nga, can you answer this? Can you comment, MJ? Ano ba yung makukuha ko? Ikaw sumagot mismo. Ano sa tingin nyo yung makukuha nyo kung mag-i-invest kayo sa sarili nyo? Can you comment? Sabi ni Sir Jaime, new life. How about the others? Guys, wag kayo dito mag-I join the webinar. Doon kayo sa page at sa tao na kausap nyo. Freedom, freedom. I love what you told me. Pero guys, alam nyo sa akin, kahit kumita lang ako ng $50 per day, that's gonna be how much? 53,000 pesos per day. Would it change my life? Okay na ba kumita ka ng at least 90,000 per month na nasa Pilipinas ka? To start with, para sa akin okay na. Kasi it will start from, even nga, kahit $10, 600 pesos, tapos 5 to 10 minutes mo lang gagawin. Guys, hindi tunuro sa atin kung paano kumita ng ganyan kabilis. Ang tinuro sa atin, 8 to 10 hours bago natin yan kitain. Pero ito na pwede mo nang malaman, pwede mo nang maaral. But question, what will you lose if you do not invest in yourself? Simple lang. Time. Time sa pamilya mo. Time na sabi mo, 2 years ka lang, 3 years ka lang. Pero ngayon, 15 years na, 17 years na, 20 years na. Ang masakit, kakabahan ka pang umuwi kasi hindi ka pa sigurado sa buhay na naghihintay sa'yo. But it's never too late, kapatid. It's never too late, classmate, na matuto ka ng bagong bagay. Kasi sabi nga ni Jeremiah, investing is a journey of self-discovery. It reveals your relationship money. It reveals your relationship with money and your tolerance for risk. Okay? And kung disiplinado ka guys, ang layo ng pwedeng maabot mo sa buhay. Actually, meron pa to siyang saying. Sabi niya, the best investment you can give to yourself is what? The best investment you can give to yourself, it's education. Kung pinapaaral mo yung anak mo right now, ikaw pa mismo nagsabi, anak, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para mabigyan mo ng magandang buhay yung sarili mo. Pero ikaw mismo, nung sinabi ko sa inyo na merong pwedeng pagkakitaan na ganito na hindi mo kailangan dumaan ng 4 years course para kumita ng milyon. 'Di ba? Andito na, ba't ikaw mag-hold back pa? For me guys, baka mahal pa yung cellphone mo. Baka mahal pa yung sapatos mo. Baka nga, yung napaskam mo, yung nawala sa'yo, sobrang laki kaysa kumpara sa tuition fee na gagawin at i-invest mo dito. Wag na tayo dun. Magbagong buhay na tayo. Aralin na natin this time. Para sabay-sabay tayo guys, na yung puso ko will always be, yung puso ko guys na iniisip ko, you know what? Ang tagal tinago nito sa atin. This time, meron na palang community na pwedeng makatulong sa atin. Okay? Now, you will tell me, MJ, wala akong pera. Guys, pag gusto, ano sabi? Pag gusto, may paraan. Pag ayaw, maraming walang kwentang dahilan. And I want to challenge every person here. Listen to this. Please lang. Ang tagal na natin ng gusto ng masarap na buhay. Kailan pa ba natin yan kukunin? Matatapos na yung almost 6 months. Magjo-June na next month. Ilang days na lang magjo-June na. Anong bago sa'yo ngayong taon na to? Anong bago sa'yo next year? Next year? Kung ganun pa din, nako. I tell you, you're missing a lot. But guys, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. I hope everyone is being empowered. I hope everyone is being secured na hindi po kayo pagkakapirahan dito, but instead, kahit hindi po kayo sumali, okay lang. Ano? Kasi bakit? Lahat kami dito nag-i-enjoy. We're just sharing something to you that can help you. But of course, guys, I want to answer questions to clarify things. Okay? Medyo na-extend ako. Pagpasensya nyo na, medyo na-extend ako, na-overwhelm ako. May tanong, okay? Ang sagot. May nag-text. Ang sabi dito, MJ, magkano ba yung capital? Separate ba yun sa enrollment? Yes. But don't worry, hindi muna kayo magla-live trading. Meron tayong tinatawag na demo trading. You can start learning and testing and you can start opening demo accounts. Live yung charts, guys, pero demo muna yung pera. Hindi kailangan ng capital agad. Ang kailangan, aralin mo kasi may demo trading naman. Live yun, guys, pero yung pera, demo muna. Then, once you learn it, you backtested it, walang problema, you can confidently say, I'm ready na mag-live trade ako. Magkano yung pwede mong simulan? $100. Okay? Pwede ka mag-start kahit $100. Okay? Now, meron pa bang tanong dito? I joined the webinar, paano mag-enroll? Get the links from your respected pages or mga tao na kausap nyo. Guys, wag nyo akong i-message ha, kasi alam ko kung sinong naka-assign sa akin. I-message nyo yung page na kausap nyo right now or yung tao na kausap nyo right now and tanungin nyo kung kanino kayo naka-assign na coach, okay? Kasi may mga coaches na naka-assign sa inyo para ma-maximize namin yung pagtuturo sa inyo. Na kahit nanonood kayo ng videos, naka-attend kayo ng mga live trainings, meron pa din kaming mag-a-assist pa din kami sa inyo. Okay? Pero hindi naman 24/7 makaka-reply kami agad, guys ha. Within 24 hours, we will do in as much i-guide namin kayo. Pero you need to understand this is a group coaching. So may mga trainings tayo ng Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, iba-iba 'yon, pero most likely sa website ng Hero 30 kayo nakatutok. Okay? So you have further questions pa ba? May mga tanong pa ba dito? Nasagot ko na to. Meron pa ba? You have further questions, guys? Sino na dito nag-enroll? Comment number 1. Sino dito? May iba nagbayad na bigla eh. Grabe naman, grabe yung commitment sa sarili. Ayan, si Miss Luisa, congratulations po and welcome. I'm very proud of you. Si Miss Che, thank you coach sa mga binigyan ng pagkakitaan. Ayan. Actually guys, ang dami nang nagme-message, nagko-comment, nagpo-post. It's not, I want to remind everyone, hindi po dahil sa amin yon. That is God-given. Kung hindi binigay ni Lord sa amin yon, hindi namin pwedeng ma-share sa inyo. Kaya we're very blessed to have a community na nagtutulungan and minamaximize, ginugrow natin yung mga talent natin dito. Alright? So kita-kits sa VIP GC natin guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Welcome po sa lahat ng nag-enroll. And just chat the person or the page na kausap niyo. Alright? Thank you po and God bless everyone. Ingat po kayo.